Hi everyone, this is Aryan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Night Trader Neo. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we can install MongoDB MongoDB database server locally in our system. So to start, let's open Google Chrome and download MongoDB installer. Okay, that we can do by searching for MongoDB. The first website we got is the official website. We will open it. Then we will go for products. In products, we will search for community edition. Yeah, here database community edition. We will click the community edition and then download community. I guess it will take us to the download page. Okay, MongoDB community server download. So we will go for the current version is 8.0.8. We will download it since I have Windows 64-bit architecture, so I'm going for Windows x64 and I will download the MSI package, not the zip one. You can also do the same. So I will click on download. So once I click, it is the window has popped up to confirm the download. Since I have already downloaded it, I won't download it again. And after that, I want you guys to download MongoDB Compass. Yeah, the Compass is a application, GUI application through which we can connect with the MongoDB server and access data. Same here, we get the exe package and same we will click on download. Like before, I've already downloaded it, so I won't download it. So that was all. That is how you can download the packages. So now since we have the packages, let's move on to installation part. Where I have in downloads. Okay, is the video recording? Yeah, it is in progress. Okay, so we have first MongoDB Windows, yes, signed one. Yeah, this one. Double click on it. The MSI package. It was roughly around 750 MB. Once we double click, and yeah, it is preparing to install. So this those who are not familiar with MongoDB, it is a database. MongoDB is a database and it is a NoSQL database. Like in SQL, okay, we will go for the next. Let Windows and apps access your location. No, I don't want to give the location. Okay, so it requires recommended. We will go with the custom and no, not with custom. Let's go with complete. Okay, and there we need to click. Yeah, it is already clicked, so no problem. Install MongoDB as a service. So when we click when we have this radio button checked, what will happen is that as we start our Windows, MongoDB server will be automatically running. We need not explicitly run it every time we reboot it. So that is all, and so that is what it does. This install MongoDB as a service does. Okay, data directory, I guess I will let it be the same. Okay, next install MongoDB. Okay, what was that? Back. Okay, I can't back. Anyways, so MongoDB is getting installed. So those who are not familiar with MongoDB, let me explain. MongoDB is a database and it is a NoSQL database. Like in SQL databases, what we had, SQL databases store data in the form of rows and columns. So what happens is that each row should have like should contain the tables in it, like it was a structured data. While in NoSQL database, we don't have to not every row should have the exactly same number of tables. If there are less tables or more tables, it's quite okay. NoSQL databases gives us the flexibility of storing data. And yeah, that's all about databases, and it is, yeah. Okay, now while it is getting downloaded, let me getting installed, let me also install the Compass one. So with MongoDB Compass we can, I guess it was for MongoDB, yeah, it was for MongoDB. Okay, here comes the Compass. It will launch when it's done. Okay, so I guess copying new files, installing MongoDB SSL. Okay, here. Okay, Compass is, I guess, installed. Wow. Okay, since Compass is also installed, let me add a new connection in it. Okay, the default URL for local connection is MongoDB //localhost on the port 27017. Remember the port. The default port is 27017. Okay, favorite this connection. Okay, save and connect. Okay, there is some error. Error is, yeah, what is there was a problem connecting to the local host. Yeah, because it is not installed yet. Yeah, it is installed, but some not fully installed. Okay. What was that? One ready to update to 146.1. What version? So to check the version, we can go to help, then about MongoDB Compass. It is 1.46.0, and the one downloaded is .1. So let's restart it. Once I restart, I will have the latest version, which was already installed. Okay, so I guess, okay, the video is getting longer. Okay, I guess it will tell us to restart the computer. Yeah, this will tell us to restart the computer. Okay, meanwhile, let me pause the video for you guys till it's complete. We will come back once the installation process is done. Uh, it took quite a long time to install this. So actually we don't need to install MongoDB Compass explicitly. While this one was being installed, okay, why did it went there? Okay, how can I? So while it was it by itself downloaded it. Okay, Alt plus tab. Okay, how to move it to here? That is another problem. Okay. Let me figure out a way. So basically what I did was that since it was already installed, I just clicked the enter, and that went to OK. But I guess, okay, we can do this by okay, Windows Shift and arrow buttons up and down. Okay, so once this is installed, let me check if uh, Windows plus R CMD. I guess I will have to pin it here. Yeah, command prompt. Okay, command prompt. Anyways, let's pin to taskbar. Okay, now let me see MongoDB service. Mongo. I guess we have to restart the computer. Add new connection. Okay, save and connect. Okay, connected to, okay, the server is running. Let me show you the refresh. No, nothing. Yeah, and startup log. Yeah, ID new. I started it at, so this was started command line. Okay, net object. Okay, so we can see that it is installed. So that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It took a long time and long video. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.